All right, now we're live. Man, like a rookie out here. All right, so now that we got this going, got excellent connection. Let's rock and roll. Have PPI at 5:30. No real other news going on until later today. We got a Euro conference at 5:45, but oh, that's tomorrow, my bad. Yeah, no other news today. Um, Daily candle had a huge move up. Weekly candle's looking bullish. Had this 4 hour for value gap that held together on NQ. I was interested in seeing a potential sweep of these lows before we moved higher, but didn't quite happen overnight. So let's take a look at, yeah, I already took out London and Asian highs. Maybe reversal will be to come down here and take them out now. 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I mean, we're starting to dump. Probably go for these London and Asian lows here. These vertical lines are just, this is 5:30 news event. Market open here. And this last one is 6:45. That's usually when I like to actually look for entries. Usually wait 15 minutes after open just to give price some breathing room to do its thing. 5 minute. I mean, this is looking juicy. I'm not gonna lie. Once we get a close below this candle, see that as a clear change of state of delivery. Look to get in with the optimal entry. But yeah, I think we're gonna go for these London lows here. Above New York Open as well. We're also going to be in this 1 hour order block, so and breaker block, or actually this is a mitigation block. Um, so it could just react off of this and go up, but wait and see. 6:45. I like to look for entry. Let's see what ES is doing. We have S&T here. Dow. Oh wow. Dow already done, but interesting. So ES has these high, higher, high, lower, low. Like Dow, but that's interesting how it has this lower low while ES and NQ have these higher highs or higher lows, my bad. Let's go top down on yes. Bullish weekly, strong daily candle so far. Up here, I mean, right, yeah, I took out buy side target that I was looking for all-time highs. So the contrarian in me wants to anticipate a sweep of these lows, but such a strong daily candle might not be the best move. But this low over here could potentially be the low-hanging fruit if we are to move lower today. Um, here, market open, starting to sell off now. Man, I mean, you could even Probably use the optimal trade entry here. Yeah, look at that. Came right to the 618. Bam. Just said stop at 90%. And even just targeting this low, 3-1. But give it some more time. Wow, look, yeah. I don't like how NQ didn't close. The body didn't close beneath here. Let's see. Stream still going. All right. Yeah. Probably continue. Dow had this close, but don't really like trading Dow unless ES and NQ are looking super ugly. Then I'll see what's up with Dow. So likely we get all the way down here. It could reverse. We're close to the low of the day. On NQ at least. Dow's already looking bearish on the daily. ES not so much, so if you were short, maybe Dow or NQ. Look about longs on ES with this strong candles. I just don't know where we would go. I guess you could target the high from the session already, but doesn't really interest me. Oh, there you go. NQ starting to really dump. Yeah, I mean, keep it simple. Low hanging fruit here. It's just London and Asian lows. Just a matter if we get a retracement, optimal trade entry. Right now, so what it would look like. And then we have this 5-minute fair value gap, or inversion fair value gap, I should say. See, want to see price go past consequent encroachment, so we'll just mark out a position if we put it there. Stop at 90% of this range. And then we'll just target this low, or just below, I should say, 23,870, and I'd be happy. Yeah, I mean, look at this 15-minute close. Below this for value gap. Let me hide all this junk. We had this massive move down. I mean, to me, yeah, it looks pretty clear. We're gonna go for these lows. Low hanging fruit. Wow, that was actually bouncing back, recovering. It's looking bullish now. Sheesh. Oof. Still got a stocky map. I mean, it's pretty mixed on S&P. A little more green, but relatively flat. NASDAQ looks like it's majority red, but Nvidia and this Avgo here, pretty green. Putting the team on his back. Dow, yeah, I mean, pretty flat. You can see here with the Dow's actually down on the day. ES barely up 0.5%. NQ up 0.3%. So anything can happen, really. Oh no. My just realized I had little text tags here. Disappeared on me. It's interesting. Never mind. I'm an idiot. Gotta hit him. Reason why I want to put him out. Clarity equals certainty in the markets. And right now it's a little not as clear for me. I mean, I'd like to short on NQ, but with ES looking a little strong here on the hourly, starting to move higher. Dow put in this nasty wick. A little hesitant to want to look for shorts. Might wait for the 7 a.m. candle. See if yeah, we get some bearish signatures in price. But I don't like how ES is respecting this 15-minute for value gap. We haven't closed beneath it or even moved beneath it, whereas NQ got a clear close beneath it. So pretty interesting. Dow also had that close. It's like Dow might have just gave a nice little optimal entry setup. Wow. Look at that 5-minute for value gap off of the 702. You could have went there, stop at 90%, and honestly just target that low. Bam. Easy, almost 4-to-1 tagged. Yep. I don't know if NQ is gonna come all the way up. It's all good. It's this range. Dog, Luke and Jose watching. If you notice, I haven't been on the 1-minute time frame. Decided to zoom out because bulls were flying quick, man. Need to slow things down a little bit. So I'm gonna try out this 5-minute, 15-minute for my entries. I like trading Dow, but looks like he gave the cleanest setup, man. That's crazy. I was kind of hoping NQ would come up here, but looks like it's not gonna happen. Did I speak too soon? Let's see. Look, Asian low, London low. Clear liquidity. I mean, we've already swept highs of the day. Nice little liquidity grab before we continue up a bullish trend up to all-time highs. Maybe price just comes into this 15-minute for value gap instead. Yeah, so far NQ is not respecting this mitigation block and order block here, so it's a good sign for a bearish bias intraday, which means ES potentially could follow. For ES, I don't want to see it close beneath this bearish for value gap. Basically turn it into an inversion. My bad, it's a bullish for value gap now, but we want to see it close beneath it to turn into an inversion. Let's see, NQ. If we just wanted a 15-minute, got this for value gap here. Stop at the high, target the low. Yeah, still a 2.7 to 1. And within that 15-minute bearish for value gap, you got this 5-minute one. At 7 a.m. we'll have a new 4-hour candle forming, so maybe that could potentially support shorts because maybe the 4-hour would want to set its low immediately, which would mean the 7 a.m. candle could see a bearish move to put in the low. Yeah, for me, I'm looking for this play, this sweep on MNQ. The market's moved because of four things: the hunt liquidity for equal highs, equal lows, to fill inefficiencies, which are just fair value gaps, to retrace the equilibrium of a massive move. We were usually retrace at least 50%. And then if it's not doing either of those three things, then we're probably just going to consolidate to generate liquidity, to generate those equal highs and lows. And for me, we consolidated here, created these lows, had this manipulation to sweep this high, created this inefficiency. Now I want to see us move back to equilibrium and into this inefficiency here to go ahead and sweep this sell side. So feeling pretty good about the potential setup here. It's just a matter of waiting to see if it pans out. This will be my first trade on the Fund Index Futures Challenge. Let's wait and see. 7 a.m. just came. Close on MNQ for 6 a.m. Good about it. Do we come all the way up here and tap this 702, or should I be content just to have this 618 level? About to find out. Yeah, Dow had a clean play so far. What's the 30-minute look like? It's inversion for value gap form. All right, looks like we're gonna get our entry, boys and girls, if you're tuned in. Just go 702, stop at 90%. At the end of the day, statistics show that if you price gets to 90% of the range, it's probably gonna take out the full range. So just shave a little off there. And honestly, I'll be happy if we get to this London low here. 880. Set my limit. 79 round to 980. Coming in hot. 23. Whoa. $150 on this first one. I'm fine with 138. All right, got limit set. Let's see. Taps us in. Well, while we wait for that, I'm gonna go make some coffee. But for me, high time frame bias is bullish on the daily, but just reading the order flow on the 4 hour to 1 hour, I think yeah, we could see this sweep. Might be jumping in front of a bull here. See, see. Going to one minute just to see the first presented for value gap. Ooh, I don't like these highs. Oof. Let's see the ticks. Honestly, not the highest quality setup just because we're trading against the higher time frame. Oh, no, no, no. Higher time frame. So got low expectations, but nonetheless, no, we already swept Asian London highs, right? And so in my mind, I want to see lows get taken. I mean, look at yesterday, we swept Asian London lows. We're way down here, but then we came all the way up and swept the highs right before them, right after market close. So it doesn't happen every day, but ideally, that's what I look for in price. So looks like we're getting closer and closer to our entry point here. No, why is it doing that? I see it's at that 618 mark, 618 mark. Wow, look, tap just below the 5 minute for right now. Imagine if it just takes off without us. That'd be devastating. Could have played that. It is what it is. If it leaves us, it leaves us. I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'll be right back. No way. At the bottom of that fair value gap. Might not get us. We'll see. But I'm getting there. Let me give this stream till 7:30. Then I gotta get ready for work. Don't like how strong ES is looking. Dow still got potential to continue lower. And Q's in between. So we'll see. 1 hour looks like it's starting to respect this order block. Minute. We just close all this. The 15-minute. Already got it's getting traded. My bad. Yeah, right here. How's that looking? I mean, it hit consequent encroachment is starting to dump. Let's see if it gets us. Honestly, 618, which looks like it might have been the play. It went right there at the level. Stop above the fair value gap just to be safe. but we'll hold the line. Now we just wait. It's a waiting game. So if I'm gonna get off at 6 or 7:30, we got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles left for this stream. I'll be shocked if we don't get there within 4 5-minute candles. We'll see. Be right back. We got a special guest for day one of the stream. This boy is officially 1 year old today. You woke up today, huh? It's your birthday. You want some milk? Got him his favorite for your birthday, huh? You happy boy. Man, see if it taps us in. No way. Just gonna leave without us. It's tough. think the higher time frame is so bullish. Might just end up canceling this setup here. Don't want to get ran over by a bull. Oops. Oh, it's coming for it. See what happens. Right there. I'll tap it. I'd be shocked if it doesn't. Wow. It's really playing us right now. Come on, just tap us in now. Just the waiting game. Start going fishing. You know, you cast a line, see if something ends up biting. Hopefully, a good fish. There we go. Come on, tap me in now. No way. It'll get me. That's wild. What am I doing, bro? What is that high? There's no way. It better not. It better not come this high to not get me. Yeah. Done? You don't want the rest? You don't want the rest? All right. Let's give you a burpee. Should I just let it hit my limit? If it misses me, I'm not tripping. There we go. Hey, we're live, dude. You can't be farting like that. Well, there goes the execution. See what happens from here. First trade of the challenge. If we end up getting the loss this one, I'm okay with it. I understand the higher time frame is bullish and taking a risk here, but for me, I mean, this is a fastball down the middle. Had this sweep of liquidity manipulation, break and market structured displacement, right? It's changing, same delivery, whatever you want to call it. We set our optimal entry zone out, and the 702 level overlaps with this 5-minute fair value gap. Clean setup. And target would be just these lows down here. And you're looking at a 4-to-1. We'll see. If it doesn't pan out, all good. Trading is about the long-term game. And my job isn't to win every single trade, right? So one trade means nothing. But the next 50 mean everything. It's about executing a high quality process over an extended period of time. So this one trade means nothing. Wait and see. Yeah, I mean, 1 hour is pretty bullish. So bold move to jump in front of the blue like this. It's just tough because ES is looking bullish while Dow's looking bearish. So use this right in the middle. Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Everybody clap your hands. Dump, dump, dump. So you come down here now. Ideally, don't want to see it go past, close above this consequent encroachment, this fair value gap. If we get a close above 50% of this fair value gap, might be in trouble. Got 2 more minutes. I gotta get ready. I'll leave the stream going, but obviously it won't be on the camera. See what happens. Tuned in. Appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. We'll be live tomorrow to look at the news forecast. Yeah, we got news, unemployment claims at 5:30. EU conference at 5:45. So we'll be live for that. Friday, 7 a.m. news. So yeah, tomorrow, Friday, we'll be live. Okay, we're starting to get some bearish momentum here. I like that. Good way to walk away from the stream. We'll see if it holds through. It's this boy's birthday. What do you want to do today for your birthday, huh? You gonna finish your milk? Pretty much gone, but all right. Ah, I think I smell it. Come on, let's get down to here. All right, well, I gotta hop. I got a jet, but I'll leave the. Oh, that. There we go. All right, I got a jet. Y'all have a good day. Till the next one.